Hey family, Herbalist Viola. I want to share day one of what I did on the first raw, 7-day all raw. Now, correction, it's the gentleman name who I'm doing this challenge with. He's only doing, just for clarifications only, he's only doing I think it says 5 days. It's a 7-day raw challenge. I think he's doing 5 days. I'm going 2 weeks. I'm going 2 weeks just to end on the 3rd of January. I'm doing that for myself. Now he has the instructions on Instagram and he does have a YouTube channel. And I just want to clarify his name. I know I said holistic gangster, but it's actually gangster holistic. So you guys look him up. Look him up. He'll give you the rules. I'm doing my, I'm doing his rules, but I'm just going an extra week. But here go my day one. Okay, so right now I'm doing my concoction. I'm doing 6 drops of selenium. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 drops of selenium. And I'm doing 3 drops of my iodine. So that's what I'm doing. And I just take my time and drink it. I'm not going to gulp it. I'm going to sit down and I'm going to drink it. Like you drink your tea. Cheers, family. So right now, here is my breakfast. I'm just going to enjoy some blueberries. So I'm going to go ahead and prep my tea. This is what I'm going to have. My Chunga Pietra mix. Yeah, it was on the other video, but I'm just going to go ahead and prep. I'm going to have 3 cups for the day. No, matter of fact, I'm going to do Echinacea lemon or hibiscus, the one that Mama D's talking about in her video. Go check her video out. But I'm going to go ahead and prep my tea. I'm going to have 2 cups of this and 1 hibiscus tea for today. First cup of tea of the day, and now I'm getting ready to make my second batch. So I got my second batch getting ready to brew. So instead of putting either honey or some lime or lemon, I'm going to put some dates. I chopped up some dates, so I'm just going to put some dates in there. I chopped it up, so everybody wants to put some sugar. You could, it's up to you if you want to put some prunes, but I'm putting dates. Instead of date sugar, I just cut up a date and put it in there. Okay, so this is lunchtime. So this is my heaviest meal the day. I try to have a heavy meal in the middle of the day. And I try to make sure it's 4 hours in between a meal. Like if I have just 1 fruit for breakfast, if I don't do a shake or a smoothie. But today, since we're doing the raw challenge, this is what I'm doing for lunch for my dinner. So what I did was I just put me some chickpeas, kale, carrots, some avocado with a little bit of spinach. It's cucumbers and I put some pumpkin seeds in there. I know that's just me. And how I made my dressing, I really didn't do anything. What I did was I had some leftover ginger juice. So I squeezed a little bit of ginger juice in there and I put some lime. You can do lemon. A lot of people do lemon. It's up to you if you want to do MCT oil. I put a little MCT oil in there, but you can do olive oil or apple cider vinegar. So I just put a splash and then I mix it up. I just mix it up. So that's what I did. This is what I'm doing, and I'll eat the rest of the cucumber either for today or tomorrow. Yes, I didn't use a lot of the cucumber. I just used a little bit because I use a lot of kale. I want more kale on this salad. So, enjoy the rainbow, you guys. All right, family. So this is my second tea of the day. Yes, it's a little weaker. I'm using the same The same that I used this morning, you know. I put a lot in there, so I want to make sure I get my money's worth. So I'm going to pour that off. Pour that in. Now, I say you need to have 3 teas. And instead of putting anything, I'm just going to, instead of putting sugar and sweetener, I'm going to put cayenne pepper tincture in there. So just put a little cayenne pepper in there. Just put 2 drops in there to enjoy. So right now I can throw this out, and I'm going to put my hibiscus tea in there and go ahead and get that started so I can have that for the day. Okay, so I added my hibiscus tea, got my water hot, and get ready for my 3rd pot. Get ready for my 3rd pot, my 3rd tea. All right, let me enjoy my 2nd tea. And I will be adding flaxseed, chia seeds. All right, so right now I'm making just a smoothie. I'm doing banana, flaxseed milk, chia seeds, and flax seeds, yes. So I'm going to pour my milk. Add my banana. Then I'm going to just use a 1/2 cup of chia seeds. Just a 1/2 cup. Well, I'm doing a 1/4 cup of chia seeds and the rest flax seeds. So there. So there, what I did was, so all I did was use, see, I gotta get some more chia seeds. I used chia seeds and flax seeds. I just put a 1/2 cup. So if you look, you can see where I blended. I just put some, and then you'll see the chia seeds at the bottom. Then you see the chia seeds. And I just put it in there. So this is banana, flax seeds, and chia seeds. And I just blend it. So I just blend it for about a minute, 1.5 minutes. And I just pour it. Nice and thick. Just pour it in, enjoy. So this is me enjoying my dinner. So that was day 1. I'm showing you my teas. I'm showing you my meal. I'm sharing just what I did. So that's what I did day 1. It's too late for me to show you my last tea, but I did do my last tea. I just didn't do a video. After I went out and did my walking, yes, I still went out. It's like 40 degrees here in Maryland, but I still went out and got my steps in, and I had my tea, and it's late, and I just want to go ahead and finish up the video, but I didn't record my hibiscus tea. You know, go on Mama D, Purple Sage Healthy Living. You know, I got that suggestion from Mama D's latest video. But all right, family, you know, go come on and join us. Come on, even if you do 1 day, 2 days, it's the best thing. All you want to do is reset your body. You just want to, you know, just doing something new, trying something new. I know it's not for everybody. I know raw is not for everybody. Even if you just do fruits and vegetables, I don't even care if you cook it. But I'm doing raw. You know, his challenge is raw. So I'm just doing raw. And he's doing, you know, he has things you can win. So go ahead, go on his Instagram page. It's gangstaholistic. So I just want to make sure I correct that. It's gangstaholistic. But look, I'm Herbalist Viola, you know, trying something new. Trying something new. Well, it ain't new for me. It may be new for you, but it ain't new for me, you know, because when I started vegan, I went straight raw. Just now I went straight raw, and then I started mixing some stuff up, and then I started cooking. So, you know, go ahead and try it. All right. Peace, family.